Ecuador, a destination that's got it all. Welcome to Ecuador, a country that is so diverse, making it worth exploring. This small nation will awe you with its breathtakingly beautiful views of the scenic landscapes. Home to the Galapagos Islands, here you can see some of the most pristine wildlife on the planet. Marvel and be amazed by the beauty of Ecuador's many volcanoes. Get a chance to explore the Amazon rainforest. Be sure to try South American cuisine and colorful fruits which are as diverse as its landscape. Visit the nation's most beautiful cities and learn more about their rich culture and heritage. Whether you love hiking or climbing, mountains are aplenty in Ecuador. Get the ultimate relaxation at one of many stunning beaches surrounded by lush beauty. A vast swathe of beautiful land, Ecuador offers you a diverse holiday. This is the ideal destination for anyone wanting a glimpse of the best of South America. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.